Hey, hi, and welcome to the next 5 Minutes Friday. I can see you think and hear you think, what's he up to with these pieces of foam? Well, this old backseat of a 76 Ford Granada is what I'm gonna use in the next episode. So hi and welcome back. The first thing we need to do is cut, rip or tear this backseat of a Ford Granada from 1976 into smaller, even smaller pieces. And you know what I like about this backseat of this Granada is that it looks like rock when you tear it. So this is the glue we use. I use an acrylic caulk, but you can use anything that sticks. I use hot glue once in a while, or an SMPT glue, don't know, something like that. And you start placing all these small tiny pieces against the seawall, you know. I want a rocky wall here, it's part of my layout, and what I do is just fit, try, and when I'm satisfied, I glue it down with this acrylic caulk. Well, it looks easy, and I think it is easy. So for now, the only thing we do is we work our way around, you know, from left to right or from right to left, whatever you want to do. Glue, stick pieces on it, rip, tear, glue, rip, tear, glue, rip, tear, glue, tiny pieces, bigger chunks. Well, whatever you want. Until we reach the end of the part we want to do. And then it's time for the white stuff. You know, sculpt them all. Well, it's been a while and Evan Das from Minima Pharma told me it's such a great material to work with. You know, it's easy. You throw something in the bowl. Add some water, add some more water if needed, until it's looking like cottage cheese, they say, you know, cottage cheese, I believe, something like that. Never had it, never seen it, never eaten it, or eaten it, something like that, you know. And what you do is you fill the gaps, nothing more or less. Well, cracks, seams, yeah, whatever you want to call it. I call it gaps in between the foam. I fill it with sculptor mold. So more or less you glue it in place with the sculptor mold. And again, you work your way around from left to right, right to left, or whatever you want to do or call it. So, and if you're done, and once in a while, I'll grab a wet brush and dab the sculptor mold even more into these cracks or crevices. And when I'm done, I start covering all the foam until it looks like this, you know. And then it's time for black brown RAL 8022 paint and cover the whole surface with it. Yeah, we do it after the sculptor mold is dry, by the way. And when it's done and not covering completely, you still have white spots, you add a second layer. So, and that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, subscribe if you need to or want to, and see you the next time. Bye.